Germany's legendary automotive brand Mercedes-Benz is ushering in a new era of innovation, but not with just cars. At their Berlin factory, the company has begun deploying humanoid robots to revolutionize the way vehicles are made. But that's just the beginning. Around the world, robotic technology is rapidly advancing, taking over industries from construction to logistics and even roadwork. In this video, we're diving into the world's most advanced humanoid and industrial robots that are reshaping the future, starting with Mercedes' own robot army. Mercedes-Benz has begun the process of mass deployment of humanoid robots at its factory in Berlin. The Murienfelde plant has been home to the Mercedes-Benz Digital Factory Campus since the year 2022, a hub for the company's innovations. This is where new technologies are tested before being scaled to other facilities. For the first time, Mercedes-Benz is modernizing this method by incorporating humanoid robots called Apollo, which are made by the American company Optronic, into the manufacturing process. Apollo can travel freely throughout production areas and accomplish a variety of duties, speeding up manufacturing operations in contrast to stationary industrial robots that carry out repetitive activities in a single place. The robots are currently undergoing testing in quality control, logistics, and component transportation. Training the robots to work in actual manufacturing settings is made possible by the use of remote control and augmented reality technologies. Apollo robots will eventually operate on their own, which will be a significant advancement in the use of adaptable robotic systems. The Isaac Grooten N1, a software brain for future humanoid robots, was released by NVIDIA. This is an open and customizable artificial intelligence model designed to assist in the development of robotic humanoids. During a presentation at the GTC 2025, the company showcased the humanoid robot Fourier GR1, which demonstrated a range of complex actions, made possible by the N1 model with post-training. Now such robots can learn complex tasks much faster, making it easier for companies to integrate them into their projects. According to NVIDIA, the slow-thinking system of Groot N1 allows the robot to perceive and reason about its environment and instructions, then plan the correct actions. As for the fast-thinking system, it translates the planned steps into robotic actions, including multi-step object manipulation. The company states that the future of humanoid robots lies in adaptability and learning. The NVIDIA Groot N1 model has delivered a major breakthrough in robotic reasoning and skills. Chinese engineers continue to amaze the world. The Chinese company Xpeng, known for its innovations in the field of electric vehicles and artificial intelligence technologies, introduced its latest humanoid robot named Iron a few months ago, promising to revolutionize the entire robotics industry. This robot is designed to replace humans in factories, construction sites, mass production, and many other fields. It can also be used in homes to assist people with household tasks. The height and weight of the robot are 178 centimeters and 70 kilograms, matching the proportions of an average adult human. The robot is equipped with 62 movable joints, providing high flexibility and maneuverability, allowing it to imitate human movements such as standing, sitting, and lying down. It features highly precise manipulators that enable it to perform tasks requiring fine motor skills, such as gripping, holding, and placing objects. You are looking at a unique industrial robotic manipulator named Torobo GTC, developed by the Japanese company Tokyo Robotics, to automate warehouse operations, particularly in handling shoeboxes and other packaged goods. Artificial intelligence algorithms for shape recognition help the robot adapt to different types of packaging and non-standard object arrangements. Thanks to artificial intelligence, computer vision, and advanced mechanics, it significantly increases the speed and efficiency of logistics operations, particularly in e-commerce and retail sectors. Another brilliant development in the construction industry is the robotic paving machine Optimus T11, created by the German company Optimus. It allows for the rapid installation of large areas of paving stones, reducing project completion times and lowering labor costs. Thanks to modern technology, the machine ensures even and tightly packed tile placement, minimizing the need for additional adjustments. Its intuitive controls and ergonomic design make it accessible even for operators with minimal experience. The machine is equipped with a multi-6 gripper featuring a 360-degree hydraulic rotator, providing flexibility and maneuverability when laying tiles of various shapes and sizes. This allows it to adapt to different project requirements and ensures high-quality work. Former SpaceX engineer Edward Mayer and his team have created an army of robotic blacksmiths capable of revolutionizing manufacturing. Their company Machina Labs has developed roboforming, a metal forming technology using robots and artificial intelligence. Unlike traditional methods that require expensive molds, these robots instantly adapt and produce parts of any complexity. The core idea is simple: custom manufacturing should be as accessible as mass production. In the morning, the robots can manufacture automotive parts, and by lunchtime, they can produce aerospace components. This enables manufacturing without massive factories, minimizing costs and development time. Machina Labs opens new possibilities, from rapid prototyping to producing parts in space or on remote bases. These flexible self-learning robots transform any space into a fully functional forge of the future. Here is the development of the Norwegian company Trizzle RMM, a high-tech road marking machine called traffic printer. This advanced system is designed for the automatic application of road signs and symbols directly onto the road surface. Traffic printer is a thermoplastic system mounted on a truck, allowing the operator to select the required symbols from a digital library right from the cabin. The chosen sign is applied to the road within 30 seconds, significantly reducing time and labor costs compared to traditional methods of marking. One of the key advantages of traffic printer is improving worker safety. By automating the process of marking, operators can remain inside the vehicle, reducing their exposure to road traffic and minimizing the risk of accidents. The British have entered the race to develop construction robots by introducing the automatic brick-laying robot, created by engineers at Construction Automation. This innovative machine can independently lay bricks, apply mortar and build walls with high precision, minimizing the need for manual labor. To precisely place each brick, a BLR makes use of sophisticated sensors and computer vision technologies. It is managed by a tablet and runs on digital architectural designs, giving complete construction process oversight. Additionally, the robot automatically creates a progress report, which makes it a useful and practical tool for builders. Approximately 10,000 bricks were laid in 2 weeks by a BLR that was recently used to build a 3-room house in the Yorkshire village of Everingham. From humanoids like Apollo and Iron, to robotic blacksmiths, bricklayers, and paving machines, the robotic revolution is no longer a concept from science fiction. It's happening right now, transforming industries faster than we ever imagined. So which of these groundbreaking robots impressed you the most? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out our previous videos to stay updated on the future of technology. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.